Hi there, my name is Griffin and I'm with Torch Prep. And today I want to tell you a little secret about how some districts are making test prep more affordable. You see, to get ACT test prep written by experts, delivered by experts, this can cost sometimes $500 to $1,000 per student. And for a long time, it didn't matter that much. You didn't need test prep for all your kids. But now that the state is requiring you to take the ACT and even more, holding you accountable based on that score, test prep is more important than ever. But the truth is, there are a lot of students who just can't afford paying $500 to $1,000 for ACT prep. So at Torch Prep, we're solving that problem. You see, our goal is we sat down and said, how do we take this course, this $500 course, and make it more available to more students? And how do we deliver it in a way that districts can afford? So we took our course and we cut about 2/3 off the price, and now we can go into a district and train every student. And the best part about this is we're delivering expert written curriculum taught by experts to all your students. And the best thing is that test scores are still going up as always. So if you're interested in hearing how to make test prep more affordable for your school, click the link below, reach out to me, you'll talk to me, and I'll even share how I'm helping any student on fee waivers get some free ACT prep. Look forward to hearing from you.